Make a great choice today with 2021 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, backup camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.